Do you have the passion for ministry work and don't know how to get the free time or the finances to pursue it? In this video, we'd like to share with you how we found a vehicle that creates passive income to free up your time to do ministry work. This is Sarah. I'm Colin. Ordinary people just like you. We reside in Toronto, Ontario, and we're online business owners.
For over 10 years, we had good jobs, but also had a mountain of debt. With the difficult financial times and high cost of living, we had to spend more time working than pursuing our desire to serve in the mission field and giving to charitable organizations.
Our desire to share the good news with people was limited by our work schedule, and our debts kept piling up. We reached a point and started looking for ways to create passive income. We knew there was a solution and a way, but we just didn't know what it was at the time.
By God's grace, we came upon a social media ad just like this one you are watching. It was from a couple running a successful online business. Their story inspired us on how they paid off their consumer debts, helped families, saved for their future, supported mission work, and even traveled the world. We clicked the ad without any hesitation. We signed up, and that simple action has changed our lives.
Our online business is up and running, bringing us closer to our dreams than ever before. Thanks to this business, we have the opportunity and the time and the free time to do ministry work and create passive income.
If you're open to the idea of unlocking a new stream of income to pay off your debts and fulfill your dreams, click the link below to register with your name and email address, and we will send you the details for a free webinar information session.
Now, if you're someone who is coachable and need change, take that bold step today. Click the link below and get ready for your success in your online business. Click the link below, sarahkarayuki.net.
Blessings to you and thank you.
See
See
you
you
on
on
the
the
inside.
inside.